pain.
Okay.
Lots of movement, but no
okay,
pain.
my hand is a bit cold.
Oh, it's okay.
Softly.
Yeah.
That's good.
Okay. How about the other one?
Okay, sorry. I
Okay.
just forgot.
It's alright.
Is it your previously ultrasound? Is it shows both the head is facing down?
Down, yes. That's right. Found it.
Yes.
Thank you.
Quite normal.
Thanks. Any idea how long I need to be in the hospital for?
Well, you don't have pain right now, right?
I haven't had any pain.
So you have to wait. You have to stay overnight and then wait for tomorrow morning. Then the doctors will
Someone check it
came
out.
to check once again and see how you're doing. And if no abdominal pain, then probably you can discharge.
Okay. Cool.
But
Thank you.
then if you have any pain, then you may have to stay.
Yeah. I haven't had any pain, just the gush of fluid.
And you still feel the gush of fluid.
No, no more fluid. Only once this morning around sort of 6:30 or 7 in the morning,
Yeah,
and that was
and
it.
no more.
No
So
more.
did you wear the pad right now?
Yes.
Still wearing the pad, but did you change it for the afternoon? What time? When did you change it?
I changed it this evening around maybe 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's clean, right?
Yeah. There's a little bit of discharge, but nothing, just the regular stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's normal. Okay.
Okay.
Anything you want to know?
No. I had some questions, but I forgot, so try to remember and then I'll ask you again later.
All right.
Okay, thanks.